after I lost mine. Well, me. This reminds me. I'm crying. I'm crying. My eyes are watering. It hurts. Ow, my eyes. God. Oh God, she got it. No. Wow.
No, look at that.
You can hit it, but you're not going to get it. You can hit it, but you're not going. You know she's going to be able to get in there. No. Can they put squiggly word back yet?
No.
I think you should do
She's
more.
gonna find a hidey hole under your bed.
I think you should do more with Wormy. Sneaky.
What's going on there?
She's on her back. Remember how last time she got in a hole with
That's what I'm covering.
Sneaky? Sneaky.
You done playing?